Summer is here, and so are we. Unlock the door and throw away the key. Our sanctuary, our endless holiday. Green hills, gold beaches, and turquoise bays. Let the water wash over. Reinvigorate. On our home, our haven, our island break. Reconnect with loved ones. Rediscover home. Together always, or perfectly alone. An island to explore, great food to adore. A time to enjoy, stop and savor life more. More time outdoors to embrace our nature. More time to make great memories greater. You'll wonder why you ever left. All big adventures start with little steps.